PEZ is one of the most recognizable novelty candies in the world, famous for its colorful rectangular candies and the whimsical character dispensers. The brand originated in 1927 in Vienna when Austrian confectioner Edward Haas created a compressed peppermint candy intended as a smoking alternative.
All right, here's a scavenger hunt. You got to find the 7 dwarfs.
The name PEZ itself comes from the German word for peppermint, Pfefferminz, and so if you use the first, middle, and last letters of that word, you end up with PEZ. The earliest PEZ candies were marketed to adults rather than children. They were sold in small tins and advertised with the slogan, "Smoking forbidden, PEZ allowed." In the late 1940s, Haas introduced the first PEZ dispenser, a small rectangular device designed to dispense one candy at a time without touching the piece with your hands. To increase awareness, young and beautiful women dressed in uniforms handed out tasters, a strategy that not only sparked curiosity, but also generated a great deal of awareness. They would use the magic words that they were already PEZing, and the ladies, as you can imagine, attracted a lot of attention. And the PEZ ladies soon became the focus of just about all their commercial activities. The first 2 dispensers for kids were Mickey Mouse and Donald, and PEZ began cooperating with Disney in 1962. Perhaps the main attraction is the extensive dispenser gallery, where hundreds of dispensers, from vintage models to modern licensed characters, are displayed. One thing I had no idea about was the plush PEZ dispensers. I'd never seen them. Little stuffed animals that give you your PEZ candy. And obviously, my granddaughter, who loves stuffies, I had to grab one for her. You need to know that some dispensers can be very frightening to children. You can also package your own candies. In the United States, PEZ production and distribution are closely associated with the PEZ Visitor Center located here in Orange, Connecticut, and it opened in 2011. The center functions as a combination factory exhibit, museum, and a retail store. Obviously, there are many collaborations with Disney and Marvel, but also Orange County Choppers did a project together with them. As a kid, I remember seeing these PEZ dispensing machines back in the 1960s. Haven't seen one for decades, but it was fun once again to see one on display here at the museum. The second floor has more about the PEZ gals, and it's fun because apparently you can host an event there. They have tables and areas where you could have a bunch of kids there. I can see how that would be a great day. This is a fun stop, but the candies themselves are actually made in Hungary, and the dispensers are made in both Hungary and in China. As we stated, the candies were first made in 1927, so their website has a countdown to the 100-year anniversary.
You can tell by my purchases that I'm really not a fan of this place at all. But literally, this is like, for you older folks who watch my videos, this is like a trip down memory lane. I mean, I can remember the dispensers that they have upstairs that I put in the video, and the lady here was like, "You actually remember those, you know?" But it was in the 60s when we were kids, and so I remember that. This is a fun spot to stop, and also if you're thinking of the grandkids or your children, lots of fun things to choose from.
We'll see you on the next one.
I guess we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, Josh.